Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we got some Boxy Charm boxes and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for the month of May, March, April. Wow, Corona's got me all over the place. The month of March, no, it's April. The month of April of Boxy Charm. If you guys want to see what I got in Boxy Charm, then please stay tuned. Okay, and I have some tea here because I've been just loving tea. I put so much sugar in my tea. How do you guys drink your tea? So the store didn't have any actual like bag of sugar, so I had to get sugar cubes. So I put like 6 sugar cubes, sometimes 7 sugar cubes in my tea, and then I add in like the creamer. Sometimes I'll use milk if I don't have creamer, and that's it. I like tea with honey, but then I'm still like, I don't know, it doesn't taste sweet enough. It tastes just like hot water, so sugar it is. Alrighty, so we got 2 boxes this month for Boxy Charm, and the first one is just a regular Boxy Charm box, just a regular standard box, and then we have the premium box, which is clearly bigger than the standard. So the regular box has a value of $125 if I'm not mistaken, and the premium box has at least $175 worth of products in it. So these are like 2 totally different bundles, but it's like double the good stuff, and it's still cheaper than what you would pay in store for all of these items individually. So that's why I'm just so happy for Boxy Charm, because I can try all this stuff out for one flat rate, and it's stuff that is like full price, like full size. So that is why I find so much joy in Boxy Charm. I hope you guys see the value in it, but if you guys don't, I hope today's video changes your mind, because I love Boxy Charm. I love it. So here is what our box looks like for the month of April. You get your little cards here that tell you what things are, what the prices are of them. This is what our box looks like. I'm excited. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is the Professional Pore Primer. I've seen this a lot of places. I think Ulta is the place I see this the most. I've never tried it, but it targets pores, targets fine lines, targets makeup meltdowns. Sounds pretty dope. And it just comes in this tube here. So this is by Benefit. Alrighty, so we have some gel paints. It says it's by a company called Illuminati, and it is a gel paint. I don't know, let's see. Just open it. Okay, so it looks like it might be some eyeliners or gel liners. Oh, okay, so it's in blue and pink. It is. Look at those. Oh my gosh, those look super cool. I'm gonna swatch that on my hand. Ooh, ooh, that just glid. Is glitter? Glid? I feel like glided. Glided is a word. Glid. I don't know, is that the past tense of glide, glid? I don't know, but it just like goes on like butter. Like, this is nice. Okay. Alrighty, so the next thing that we have here are some brushes, it looks like. It's by Lavish, and they're like colorful brushes. That's cute. They actually already have a color on the brush, so it looks like you have like that eyeshadow color on there. But this is cute. We have like a blending brush. Oh, they actually say what they are. We have a fine liner brush, a pencil brush, brow contour with a spoolie on the end brush, taper brush, and we also have an eye shading brush. So these are some cute little brushes. I don't really buy brushes, so anytime I get free brushes, I'm really happy, and these are some cute little brushes here. So this one here is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. This luxurious foaming cleanser combines the hydrating and comforting properties of cica and vegan kefir with fermented rice water to gently cleanse away dirt and grime for a calm and fresh complexion. Ooh. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see the foaminess of it. Aha. It's a nice soft foam. It's not like super watery, but it's not thick either. I don't know about that smell. It doesn't stink, but it just smells a little weird. I don't know, it could be some of that fermented smell. I don't know, but I'm gotta give it a chance. Okay, so the last and final thing that we have in our box is this iconic London Illuminator. Actually, I feel like I've seen this in Sephora. I've seen this in like tutorials on Instagram and everything, but let's see what it actually looks like. We did that complexion quiz and I hope they really listened to what I said. That's really cute. That's actually really nice. Like I could definitely put this under my makeup, under my foundation. I feel like I could utilize this in like a no makeup look. I just put one up, by the way. If you didn't watch it, go ahead and watch it. But this is cool. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. The Big Daddy. We are about to go ahead and see what is in this box. All right, let us see. Oh, actually, before I do show you guys, do you guys like my shirt? This is a Skims shirt. I did a Skims haul, so I bought some Skims, and if you guys want to see that, I'm gonna go ahead and link that above. Make sure to check that out, so save that to your watch later, or yeah, because don't keep watching this one. Just save that to your watch later so you can watch that. But let's see what's in the box. Alrighty, so we have some stuff in here. Honestly, I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Okay, so it's Wander Beauty. Remember Wander Beauty? We got that Wander Beauty blush set. So this is actually the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. So it's like a mascara in a tube. I love mascaras and I'm always looking for a good mascara, so I'm excited to give this a try. We have some Stila Glitter and Glow. It looks like a liquid eyeshadow. This is in Rose Gold Retro. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I absolutely see this in Sephora all the time. Let's see. That is cute. I have a Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paint. What's magnetic lips? Like what? Let's see. That's kind of like a dark dusty pink kind of color. I could see that. I could see the potential in that. Okay, so we have a box here. This is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydrating Mask. Woohoo! Hydrating mask. Y'all know my dry ass skin loves a nice hydrating product. Oh, that is cute. Look at that. It looks like an actual honey pot. Oh my goodness, I like this so much. So this says to use spatula to scoop mask and use a generous layer onto clean face, avoid eyes and lips, massage for 1 to 2 minutes and leave till it transforms into a white cream. We'll leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off. Oh my gosh, I'm about to do this tonight. I'm doing this tonight. Make Jordan do it with me. And then it's like magnetic, so it stays together. Oh, shout out to, who is this? Pharmacy. I like this. I like this just based off the looks. I know I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna force myself to like this. No, not really. I'll tell y'all if I really like it or not, but this is cute. I like this. All right, so another thing that we have here is the Libido Inspired by Nature Age Away Replenishing Cream. Firm, hydrate, and repair. And it has grapefruit seeds, melissa, and avocado. I don't know who Melissa is or why she's in the bottle, but we will see what this is. This looks good too. And so it's a replenishing cream. So where is this, for your face? So you would use this daily as a moisturizer. It feels pretty moisturizing, like, ooh, okay. I put too much because it says to only put a little bit and just let it absorb, so I obviously put too much, but that smell. It's not bad, but it smells like it's something medicated, or maybe that's the Melissa in it, I don't know. Okay, so we have one more thing in our box, and it is in this pouch here. I think these are some brushes. Oh, Opulent Beauty, I don't know who they are, but it sounds like brushes. Ah, I knew it. It's makeup brushes. These are nice. I like the clear plastic handles. And these are really soft too. This is why I'm telling y'all, I don't buy no brushes. I'm not going to need to buy any brushes now that I have these Boxy Charm boxes coming on a monthly basis. I'm not buying no brushes. I am actually really, really impressed by like the softness of these brushes. Like, these are really soft. You can never have too many brushes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got from Boxy Charm this month. like I said, I am really happy that I signed up for Boxy Charm. A lot of this stuff here, I really would not spend my own money on because I've never really heard of a lot of these brands. So Boxy Charm is a really good way of giving me that exposure to these brands where I can give my own personal review on it, because I've never really heard of these brands. And typically if I'm going through Sephora and I'm doing like a whole haul of stuff, I might just skip over the things that I'm not too sure about. And I do a lot of research before I buy a product because I'm like, look, I ain't trying to waste no money. So I really have to make sure that I like something or it's worth my money when I do invest in it. So Boxy Charm is a really good way to build relations with these brands and actually see if there's somebody worth investing in. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys want to give Boxy Charm a try. This is my second or third Boxy Charm video that I've done. I think my third one that I filmed, but second one that I posted. But I hope you guys enjoy seeing these. I hope this kind of gives you guys motivation, or is, you know, kind of helping you guys determine if you want to sign up for Boxy Charm. There's a lot of different subscription boxes that you guys can try out, but so far Boxy Charm has not really been, you know, a total fail in my opinion. I would say, you know, make sure to do your complexion quiz. I'm really happy with the stuff that I got for this month. I'm really excited to try it out. And please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We did hit 150 subscribers finally, so there will be a giveaway coming and there will be details on that. So make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you know when I drop that video, so you can enter and so that you can win, because we're giving away some nice stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.